If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and smash the like button. Also check out my Facebook page and my website at filipinodadcooks.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make beef caldereta. Here are the ingredients: beef brisket, garlic, onions, tomatoes, tomato paste, liver spread, red and green bell peppers, olives, cheddar cheese, and an optional ingredient, green peas. Drop the beef brisket in boiling water. When it boils, remove the scum or the dirty bubbles floating on top. This is probably going to take about 1 to 2 hours of boiling. But if you have a pressure cooker, it's only going to take about 35 to 45 minutes to get your meat tender. Let's saute the garlic in olive oil. Then add the onions, then the tomatoes, add the meat, then add about 4 cups of the broth from where you boiled your meat. Add the tomato paste. When it boils, add the liver spread. This is a whole can of Reno brand liver spread that you can buy at any Asian grocery stores. This is what thickens the sauce. Season with 1 teaspoon salt, about half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. I'm also adding a teaspoon of chili paste. You can use any kind of chili peppers. I usually use fresh siling labuyo or red chili peppers, but this Korean chili paste works too. Then add the olives. Then the red and green bell peppers. And an optional ingredient, green peas. You don't have to add this. I put green peas just to add more color to this dish. And our last ingredient, cheddar cheese. Some even add some heavy cream, but I think cheese is enough for me. Now this is ready. Here's the Filipino version of beef stew. Beef caldereta. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'll see you next time.